In today's video, we're going to talk about having a process and really taking those steps of defining and creating a methodology to become a consistently profitable trader. Hey everyone, lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen here. We talk about this in almost every video, but 90% of traders fail. Why is that? I really think that most traders in that 90% do not have a methodology, they do not have a process, and they simply try and chase picks or maybe buy the top percent gainer of the day, short that top percent gainer of the day because they just want quick profits. They think that that's the way to be successful, and it really isn't. You might make a couple $100 today, but you'll lose a couple $100 tomorrow. You'll do this over and over again, and then you'll be one of those people that says trading stocks doesn't work. Trading stocks does work. I've done it for over 10 years. Tim Sykes has done it for over 20 years. Tim Grattani is one of the most successful penny stock traders ever. He's made $7 million in like 6 or 7 years. It can be done if you have a process and you repeat that process over and over again. In StocksToTrade Pro, we talk about this every day. StocksToTrade Pro is a mentorship program where I guide you through becoming a consistently profitable trader and refining these skills. So I call it building the case, or I often refer to it as having the components of the recipe. If you're buying any one stock for one reason, your odds are very, very low. You need to create this in essence, checklist of reasons that make this a stock you really want to trade. Many of you are new, many of you are part-time traders. You can't simply be jumping in to any random stock. If you're new to trading, you may be under the pattern day trader rule. That means you only get 3 day trades a week. 3 day trades out of a 5-day rolling period. You need to maximize those opportunities because if you make a trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you might not be able to trade for a few days because of this regulation called the pattern day trader rule. So what I want to talk about is my process, my methodology that has allowed me to book consistent gains through bull markets, through bear markets, through all types of environments over the last 10 years. So what are we going to look for? We're going to look for what we call as clean charts. If you're in a StocksToTrade Pro webinar, you'll see me do this thing. I like to count on my fingers. If you saw into my trading room, I probably look like a madman as I counted off these criteria to myself, but it's the methodology that's worked for me. So we're looking for clean charts, which means these are charts that are breaking out to new highs, breaking 52-week areas, breaking all-time highs. These are all areas that traders are looking for. Second thing, stock needs news. Sure, you can day trade and swing trade stocks without some sort of catalyst, but your odds of success are much lower. Look for stocks that have a reason to be up. Hot sector, contract wins, all these things that press releases, new products, earnings, all these things are catalysts that can move a stock. And if you've got 3-day trades a week, you can't be trading random stocks with no news. Next, look for volume. Avoid illiquid stocks. When I talk about volume and illiquid, if the stock isn't trading 1 million shares a day, you need to avoid it. Entries and exits will be difficult. You'll be burned by what's called slippage. You can Google slippage or check out our other videos. We talk about it. Illiquid stocks, you'll try and get out. You can't get out. You end up trading against yourself. There's slippage involved. Your profits are erased when you try and exit. Next is target low float stocks that have less than 10 million freely tradable shares. That means there's a limited supply of shares. What's that mean? The market's a market. Limited supply means more buyers come in, means the price rockets up. Next is, looking for stocks that have ran in the past. Use your charting. One of the great things about StocksToTrade, we've got some of the best, fastest charts out there. You can quickly, if you're looking to make this decision, with one click, you can see, has this stock ran in the past? We call them, in day trading world, we call them former runners. We love former runners. These are stocks that have spiked in the past and they tend to spike in the future. Think about building that case. Refine your criteria. I've given you 4 or 5 criteria that I like. Yours might be different. But the biggest takeaway from this video is have a process. Have criteria that you look for. Use my criteria, modify them, build upon them. And if you get a chance, comment below. What's something you like to look for? Are you looking at 52-week highs, 52-week lows? Are you using technical indicators? I'd like to hear what your catalysts are. When you're building that case, what do you look for? So thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to comment below with any trading related question. We love answering your questions. Also, like and share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe to be notified as soon as our next video hits. And if you're looking to expand your trading knowledge, don't forget to check out all of our other videos. And be sure to click the trial below. Check out StocksToTrade. I think it is one of the best, most rapidly advancing softwares out there. Be sure to check out our trial.